Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you have a lot to catch up on. My name is Midli. I do fashion, travel, and experience content. If that happens to be the kind of content that you like, please subscribe and share with your friends so we could grow the community bigger. So, guys, let's pick up where we left off. It's a beautiful sunny day in March, and I must admit, guys, it's my first time visiting the island in this time of the year, and it's wonderful. I'm actually rushing to go to a speaking engagement at a school, so I'm taking you guys with me and then we'll go to brunch. Traffic during rush hour is crazy. Can't believe I'm legally driving. Guys, today I'm doing a speaking event in Kenisia's class. I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna say. I'm nervous.
You got it, mommy. And it was fabulous.
I gotta look confident, so.
Yeah, because MC wasn't there.
Oh shit. It was good. The kids was engaged. It was really nice. I was so grateful for this experience. It was my first time. I was really nervous, but it was gratifying to see how the young kids was just inspired and motivated by my life story. After, Kenisia proposed for us to go to brunch, so let's go. Hi guys, so we're going to Réveil brunch and I'm taking you guys with me. So let's go to brunch, guys. By now, you must know that our biggest flex is being on the French side an hour, and the next hour you could be on the Dutch side. So we are going across the bridge to go to Welfare Road in Cold Bay. Réveil Matin is a concept restaurant from Canada. It has great ambiance, music, a really wide range of dishes on the menu. I'll definitely link it below. Let's go try it out. Hello, beautiful people. So today we're going to try Réveil Matin, which is a brunch and breakfast place. And basically it's right here in the Plaza del Lago. And you could get your parking if you have a car. Just try to park anywhere, or there's parking directly in front of the restaurant, so you could do that. And yeah, let's go try and see if it was good. Today's outfit, oh, by the way, top is from Mango. That was 5 years ago. Pants is from Zara. Shoes, Shein. Bag, Zara. Gonna be on YouTube. Hit it too hard. Okay. Kenisia says hers is now. And this one is o'clock. Something o'clock. 2 o'clock. Yes. She got the 2 o'clock and I got the caramel. And it's nice. You like caramel? We're back, beautiful people. That was really nice. We took journey cakes, which is a local breakfast. This was nice, and they really give you a lot. Just the journey cake was $7.95 ish, and we couldn't finish that, so it's really a good portion for the price. So guys, on the Dutch side, please mind that there are service fees. So they charge you for the service, just like Italy. So you just gotta be mindful that the price you see on next to your meal is not the exact price you're paying, because there's a service charge to add to that. Hope you guys are enjoying this series. Let's see what we get up to next. Today we're focusing on activities you could do with your kids. I mean, we're on an island. It's always a great idea to be a beach bum. But as well, it's free to go to the beach here. We also have multiple beach clubs on the island. So if that's your vibe, you could look it up. As for me and my mom, on our free time, we go to the beach and chill. Today is actually my godson's birthday. So we are going to go to Parrotville, which is a budget-friendly activities that you could do with your kids. It is located on the Dutch side of the island. Yes, I know I'm always on the Dutch side, but this is where the vibes is at. If you're going there by car, Google Maps works just fine on the island. If you're going by public transportation, you just have to take a bus to Dutch Quarter or French Quarter, and you ask the driver to drop you by the McDonald's in Dutch Quarter, and then you could walk it. It's approximately 3 minutes by foot from the McDonald's. The park is open every day from 9:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m., including Sundays. For kids, it costs $5 to go in. For adults, is $10. I found it was pretty worth it for the price because the staff was very nice, very welcoming. I loved it. They have a good catalog of birds in there, birds I've never seen before. This activity is not for you if you do not want the birds to fly on you, because you are actually going into their sanctuary. So keep that in mind. One of the rules is to not throw the seeds on the floor. And as well, I would advise you to hold these cups for your dear life, because as soon as you enter there, you'll need to buckle up. Oh my god, they're fighting for the food. This is beautiful. This is actually scary. Jump scare. The kids are here. The birds are eating. I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh my god, that's beautiful. Guys, this is so beautiful. Look at them. Hi, girl. Hi, guys. You're beautiful. Guys, it was intense because the birds are flying everywhere. It's like you're in their home and they are free to fly where they want. And so it's really intense. I can't. That's good thing. This is beautiful. This one is beautiful. So basically they come and they give you this, and when you come here the bird will definitely come and eat. So whatever bird is flying in, they will eat. Whichever one is on, they're gonna tell them to go and eat.
experience.
Guys, they poo-pooed on me. So it's best you put their ass face in this fridge because they might.
Look at the name. Look at the name. That's a poop. Because you know the children, they'll probably go around. Yes.
My bird went down to yours.
No more. If you don't want the birds to come near you, do not keep that food.
Yeah, good. You win. This one's so good. Hey, no.
Look how small one. Like this. You do a review. What is the name of this bird?
That's a toucan. So it's in a stamp. It's as small as it is.
Wait,
Look.
this is a toucan, guys.
Oh my god. It's not so big. You're hiding. Look. No, you don't want you pet him. You don't want you pet him. Not yet. You gotta give him. Then you can see. Okay. He's here, hungry. But there's no one winner. There's a very few one. And he wants food. He wants food.
What is that? Is it banana and quinoa?
Yeah, banana and quinoa. What is this?